This is a good guy. Folks, you know me, I try to like everybody. Where there's one person I despise with a passion. New York Mayor Michael Bloomberg. He has repeatedly attacked our smokers. He's
Cher's so funny. Look at this little boy.
And now he has attacked our time-honored patriotic traditions.
So, is your 4th of July celebration losing its spark thanks to New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg. He wants to ban the sale of sparklers because it's possible terrorists could use them. Bloomberg pushing to veto a bill allowing the sale of them around the weeks of 4th of July, saying they could get into the hands of the enemy.
Get into the hands of the enemy? Oh no, Al-Qaeda might wait till dark and write "Death to America" in the air. How dare you, sir? How dare you? Some of my happiest childhood memories were spent holding a 1,500-degree metal rod. Well, folks, I don't care what Mayor Buzz Stomp over here says. Sparklers deserve a seat at freedom's table. That's why tonight, all right, crank that down. All right, here you go. All right, there's your sparkler. You ready to do this, buddy?
I don't think the beard's a good idea.
Come on. Uncle Sam's got to have the beard, all right? Let's do this. Flame on. Okay. I am so